If you are looking for how to save videos from iPhone to USB or flash drive, to avoid losing videos, you are in the right place. Next, we will introduce the 5 most common methods to easily move videos from iPhone to USB drive. Part 1. Easiest way to transfer videos from iPhone to USB stick. Probably the most convenient way to save or move videos from iPhone to USB stick is to use Mobikin Assistant for iOS. It is a professional iOS data transfer and management tool that can easily transfer iPhone videos and other data. Follow the steps below to learn how to transfer videos from iPhone to flash drive using Assistant for iOS. Step 1. Launch Assistant for iOS. Step 2. Select the videos. Step 3. Transfer videos from iPhone to USB stick. Part 2. Save videos from iPhone to USB via Photos app. The Photos app is Windows 10e's photo manager. It is a good choice to help you copy videos or photos from iPhone to external USB drive. Part 3. Transfer videos from iPhone to flash drive via Windows Explorer. If you are using a Windows PC, then you can use its built-in feature File Explorer to transfer videos from iPhone to USB stick or flash drive. Part 4. Transfer videos from iPhone to USB stick using iCloud. Apple's cloud service, iCloud, allows you to upload videos to iCloud, then download them to any internet-connected computer, and then copy them from your computer to your USB stick. Part 5. Save videos from iPhone to USB using AirDrop. Mac users can transfer videos from iPhone to flash drive via AirDrop. To do this, you need to transfer videos from iPhone or iPad to Mac first, and then copy them to USB stick.